This is Excel Pro Tips. Do more in less time. Presented by TruePeak Solutions, and I am David Sirinko. In today's lesson, I will show you how to convert text to title case or proper case. Sometimes you may have a spreadsheet that contains text such as maybe names or addresses that are in all caps, and you need it to be in title case, which means the first letter is capitalized and the rest of the word is in lowercase. Today's lesson will show you how to do that quickly. Let's dive right in. I have a spreadsheet here that's full of contact information for California public school districts. You will notice that in my mail city column right here, all the cities are in capital letters. I'm planning to use this for a mail merge, and it's just going to look odd to have the city in all caps. By using the proper function in Excel, I can quickly convert these cities to title case. Let's insert a blank column to the right of the city. Put the cursor in the second or in the cell right next to the first city that I want to convert. Then I click on the function icon and I search for the function called proper. Here it is. Select it and click OK. Now all we need to do is point to the cell that we want to convert. Gives you a preview here, and you'll notice right there already the first letter is capitalized and the rest of the word is in lowercase. Let's click OK, and it converts that first city. Let's do the fast copy and paste that formula all the way down for the rest of the list. One last step I want to take is make sure that I actually eliminate the formula and only preserve the converted text. To do so, I need to copy the selected cells and then paste them right in the same place. But when I paste, I want to select paste values. What this does is eliminates the formula and keeps the resulting values, which in this case is the city, in the proper or title case. Now what we can do is we can delete the first column that contained the city in all caps, and now we have the city in title case. That's all for today. If you've enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please share it with a friend or a colleague.